From Udon Thani to Bangkok, it cost 255 Thai baht. Third class fan seat outside the road, and then you can buy ticket here. Very easy, no security check. Waiting for the train in the morning. Hard. People getting down. Just arrived now, and exit there. This is the train station. People are walking. Oh, too many things! Luggage. This and this and this. Oh my god. Going to the hostel. It's a big train station, and actually inside they have subway, metro, but I have too many stuff, so I cannot take metro. And now there's an app called Boat. You can use it, and then now this is my hostel, and now it's very expensive. My god, too expensive. Oh, this one, oh, I need to wait for 21 minutes. Okay, I will see. I will try.